Coffee lovers, this one's for you. Ever thought about where your coffee comes from? Let's dive into the process. It all starts with unroasted green coffee beans, sourced from the best coffee-growing regions worldwide. Each batch is carefully inspected for quality and freshness. Next, the beans go through the roasting process. Temperature and time are meticulously controlled to bring out rich flavors and aromas. Through roasting, the beans undergo the Maillard reaction, giving coffee its distinct taste. Once roasted, the beans are quickly cooled to lock in their flavors. Some are ground to different textures depending on how they'll be brewed. Every batch undergoes rigorous quality checks. Expert tasters evaluate aroma, body, acidity, and flavor to ensure a perfect cup. Finally, it's packaging time. Advanced machinery fills, seals, and labels each bag to preserve freshness. From bean to cup, every step ensures the perfect brew. So the next time you sip your coffee, remember the journey behind it. Here's to the art of coffee roasting and the dedication behind every cup.